Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. Today I'm excited to be bringing you guys along as I declutter and reorganize this closet here in my master bedroom. My husband and I share a closet, as you can see, and it's not that big, and we have it stuffed to the brim with stuff just everywhere. In every nook and cranny, there's something. I've had this closet organized before, and as time goes on, as you can see, stuff just accumulates. When you have a ton of stuff, that just seems to happen. So I'm really trying to minimize and only keep stuff that we use on a daily basis or that we absolutely love, so that this doesn't end up happening again. So I'm going to take you guys through that process. My husband's going to go through his stuff later, and you'll see at the end how that ends up turning out. And I am going to start decluttering through my stuff and hopefully bring some sanity to this closet. I'm going to also be purging and decluttering in some other spaces in my home. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe so you don't miss those. And if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up so I know to do more of them. And I hope you guys enjoy the process.
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have will go in the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for days. Time was well spent, that's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you. Take your time, not in the fast lane. I understand that you've been broken too many times, but I'll be waiting to mend your wounds from all you've taken. But if we listen to each other and made our mistakes, then I can show you who I am, because I'm not the same. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. That's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you.
And here, as you can see, I have an insane amount of clothes all over my bed and just stuff all over my room. This is just my side of the closet, and it's like covered my entire room. I don't even know how everything fit in there. But I'm going to start going through all of my clothes on the hangers first and just deciding what I want to donate or throw away or just get rid of, and the stuff that I want to keep. I have noticed that each time that I declutter or go through and purge stuff, that I tend to be a little more brutal each time. Like, it gets easier to give stuff away. And I don't know if any of you are like me, but I've always hung on to clothes or just anything for that matter, just in case maybe one day I might use it. And I have been, in the last year or so, really trying to like get away from that mindset and just absolutely keep the stuff that I use. Like, I don't need all of these clothes. I live in leggings 90% of my life. So having all this stuff is just clutter and just filling up my room and closet. So I'm really trying to be brutal, which you'll see my donation pile at the end, which I was extremely happy about. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the stuff here.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up, speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down, 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 Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. 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 Say goodbye to the fear inside. Speak out, girl, no one can shut you down. Try and make you feel out of place. Don't you let them. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend,
Okay, so now that I have gone through all the clothes and I have some space on my bed, I'm going to pull out the rest of the stuff from the closet to go through that was still on the top shelf here. And then in a second, you guys will see all of the clothes that I purged out of this closet and how many hangers were in there. I don't even know how it all fit in there, but you will see the empty hangers and the pile of donations that I will start bagging up in just a second.
girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down, down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
OMG. That's all I have to say. OMG. Look at those hangers. I don't even know how it all fit in my closet, but it definitely did. All of this is donations or throwaway. I think I ended up with one big black bag of trash and then 4 big black trash bags for donations, plus other bags and purses and stuff that I was giving away that I fill another bag with. I just ended up with a ton of stuff, and it feels so good to get rid of all this stuff and be able to donate it to somebody else that can hopefully use it way more than I was, because half of this stuff I haven't touched in I don't even know how long. There's stuff still brand new with tags on that I've never even wore, and hopefully somebody else can get some good use out of it.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long. Think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's realize in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting. 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 You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go
I've been
by.
waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting. 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 You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
All right, y'all, and this is the finished product. It's hard to get like a big overall view because it's such a tiny closet and it's hard to get like a good angle, but I try to show you each side of the closet here. That door was completely covered with stuff and on all of those hooks, and I purged all of that. These shelves, I purged a ton of stuff. I have a couple bins there with keepsakes in them, and then a belly cast from my youngest child. And then just a ton of stuff that we decluttered and purged out of this closet, and I am loving the way that it turned out. I am so ready to jump in and declutter and purge every space in my home. So if you're looking forward to those videos, definitely give this one a thumbs up so that I know, and subscribe so you don't miss them when they go live, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.